Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul and unboxing. I'm going to be trying out a couple products that was sent to me from this company on Amazon. All the links will be in the description box. If you guys want to see how everything works, keep watching. You guys, my packages came in the mail. I'm super excited. I'm so excited to be working with these Amazon companies. So let's go ahead and see what they sent for me. Cherry magnetic eyeliner and eyeliner. I was super excited to try this. My mom tried it out and I really liked how it was on her, so I definitely wanted to try it out. Now, I'm not an eyelash person. Obviously I wear mascara, but I don't wear like falsies or anything like that. And I do have a pair of magnetic lashes here from Ardell, but I haven't worn them just because I don't know how to put them on. So I'm really excited to go ahead and try this out. So it has 2 magnetic eyelash pairs, 1 magnetic eyelash, and 1 tweezer. And it's convenient, reusable, no glue needed, waterproof and sweat proof. And it has like the ingredients if you guys are into that, knowing what's like going on your skin and things like that. So here are the eyelashes. There's 2 pairs, 1 more natural and 1 like more baboom. And then it has the eyeliner. And then this is the tweezers to apply them. So like I said, I won't be applying them in this video. I'm actually going to use these for my next beauty video, which is my Valentine's Day makeup look. So stay tuned for that if you want to see how to put these on and everything like that. This is mostly just like an unboxing show and tell type video. So I just took out everything that's in the magnetic eyelash and eyeliner box. So here's an up close look on the tweezers. This looks like this. I don't know if it's focusing. So just to put the eyelashes on. Here's the eyeliner. Ooh, I'm gonna open this and see how it looks. Here is the eyeliner right here. Just going to open it so you guys can see how it looks. I can't wait to use that. And then here are the eyelashes right here. Up close and personal. Very nice and natural looking. Very soft. I love it. So I went ahead and took this out the box, the PD fast charger and cable. And I love this. This is the March block that you plug into the outlet. And then it has the little PD port. So you cannot like plug this into like a laptop or in the car or anything. This is strictly for outlet use, so you only can plug it into an outlet. And it has the little iPhone charger right here, you guys can see. And then the back part is like this little adapter part that charges, that plugs into the block. So there's that. I already have one, like I said, and it works amazing. And I had to get one for my husband. So yeah, it's really long actually. Yeah, you guys can see how the cord is. Once you take it out, like it's super long, so I'm able to charge it in when I'm in the bed. Like it reaches and everything, so it's amazing. So there's that. So yeah, it shows all that you could use it for: the iPhone 5 all the way up to the iPhone 11, the iPad Air mini, all that kind of stuff. So you guys can charge it for iPhone and iPad, so it's great for that. So here's the charger plugged in. You guys can see I have it on a extension cord, and I'm just going to charge it on my husband's phone. So he has an iPhone 6, and I'm just going to show you guys how he plugs it in. Okay, so it's plugged in. Like I said, we have so much stuff in here, so I just have it in an extension cord. But you guys see, charges perfect, 99%. So there it is. So this is an EMS Hip Trainer, and I'm gonna do an actual, like, how do I say, how-to with this, because I'm watching videos right now on YouTube and it looks pretty interesting. So it's to get like a bigger butt and like hips, and not bigger hips, but like better, helps your hips and like your abs and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and open this, see what comes in the box. Okay, so this is everything out the box. Here's a little control to control the trainer. This is how it looks, that you put it like on your back and butt. So I'm gonna take that out, and then it has this. I'm not sure what this is for, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And it has the book to show you how to do the instruction. I'm gonna need this because I'm not gonna know what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so I took everything out of here, and at first I didn't know what this was for, but it actually goes to the back. This stuff is like really sticky, and you're supposed to put this on the little sticky parts to place on top of you, I guess, to help the electricity. I don't know, I'm about to electrocute myself. Let me open this. The little thing, it shows you have 4 levels, so I'm sure it probably gets more intense the higher you go. And then yeah, I'm gonna go through the instruction manual, and then I'm gonna like put it on and see exactly how it works, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just took these little sticky things off. I put these 2 right here, and then I put this one at the top, and I already put batteries in the remote, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and see how it works. So I just put it on. I'm just gonna show you guys the top. You see the thing? It's on right now. Let's see if you can see how it looks. And I'm gonna try to do it. I'm scared, y'all. I got the remote. Lord. Okay. Where should I just do 1? Alright, here I go. I'm scared. Is the light on? Okay. Ooh! I feel something. Oh my gosh. It like stings a little bit. Oh! Okay, am I gonna get like abs from this? Okay, guys, I feel a little bit something, but we'll see how it works. It is the Be Full Professional and Fashion Wax Warmer. So it warms the wax and everything, so you could do waxing at home yourself. So let's go see what's in the box. It's the whole kit. Wow. Okay, let me set it right here. Okay, so it has the wax beads right here. The yellow wax beads. These ones are the pink wax beads. It says hair removal wax without strip for professional use only. Wow. It has these little sticks that you do the wax. And here's the actual wax warmer. Hold on. So here's a wax warmer out the box. And I didn't take the plastic up here, but there's a top. Inside is more stuff. They have more wax beads. They have a green one over there. They have these little heart things, I guess, for the beads. Another beads. These ones are purple. So there's like 4 beads. Here's the inside of it, you guys can see. And inside the box, there is these little circle things. I'm not sure what this is for. There's these circle things. I'm not sure what these ones are for. And then there's some paper. It says wax heater user guide, so you know how to use it. And then right here, asks you if you're like satisfied or not. So that's all that came in the box. Maybe I'll do a video showing like how it works. This is just an unboxing to see what came in the box. Okay, you guys, so that's it for today's Amazon haul. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys want me to try any of these things again, I don't know if I will, but let me know in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.